Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the phone language that you are stuck in a different language such as Chinese, Korea, Japanese, Spanish. So if you are stuck in a different language, sometimes it can be hard to know where to go to switch it back to English, for example. First tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From here I can show you an English version as well so you can compare. And then what you want to do is from the top swipe down and go to the general. So you look for this icon here, that is general. So we look for the icon here, you can see general management. So you tap on that and then tap on that, and up here is language and input. So you got language and input right here. Tap on the first option, so language and input, and then you tap on language, the first option again. So tap on the first option, and here then you got a different language that you could choose. So by default there should be in English, so choose English and then tap on the apply button right here. That's the apply button, and now your phone is going back to English. You can see if I go back, it's now in English. If I go to my home screen, now all my icons going back to English. So that's it. That's how you can change your phone language back to your native language. If it is stuck in a different language, you follow the steps by step that I've shown you. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.